Welcome to the starter kit. So to set up a wallet, you're gonna go in the top right corner. You're gonna hit connect wallet. Click on get a wallet. From there, you can start with MetaMask as a simple start. You'll click on get. It will take you to the App Store, whether you're on Google Play or Apple, this will work. And you will simply download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you will open it. You will go to the part that says get started or create wallet. Make sure you read all the terms of use, terms and conditions, and continue. From there, you'll set up a password. It's not going to show what I'm typing on the screen, but I'm typing in the password here. Make sure it's something that you can keep up with. Write it down, however you want to do, whatever you want to do to secure it. From there, it will be bringing you to this part where it's going to require you to write down a 12-word phrase, which is known as a seed phrase or a passphrase or a secret phrase. It varies with what people call it. But this is the step where you will be securing your wallet by being able to write down the phrase that they give you. And then from there, verifying the phrase they give you. Please make sure to not screenshot this. Do not email it to yourself. Do not text it to yourself. Do not type it in your notes. Do not do anything involving electronics. You want to create a paper wallet, which is simply you writing this down on paper. And trust me on this is the safest route to go. So from there, while you're securing your wallet, you're going to hit start. It's going to have you go through the motions, do what you got to do, and you'll be good from here. I just want to show y'all this because this is the current market's dashboard. And I'm going to be honest, nothing like this existed when I came into the crypto space. There's a lot of different sites that have great resources, but I've never had anything where I can just get all of this done at one time and go right here and swap from the same place. I can literally swap. I can do all of this in one time, not without leaving the site. I could do it from my phone, tablet. I could do it from my computer. I could do it from anywhere in the world. And it works inside of VR as well.
It's pretty much a custom trader dashboard. So like you can basically get a snapshot of the whole market like that. You know what I'm saying? The most important things you need to look at. Again, just look, going through those tools, like I said, you can see how the whole market is moving.